Hey, have you ever had that uh-oh moment? A competitor's just launched a breakthrough new product and your customer meeting is in just 2 hours' time. The crazy thing, the customer already knows, they've done their research, and they're not looking for a feature rundown, they're looking for your take. That's what wins now. I'm Matt Wilkinson, and at SAMPS Boston this December, I'll show you how to use AI to go from scrambling to ready in just minutes. You'll learn how to map buying groups fast and walk into every meeting with a perspective that lands. Then we'll get hands-on. We're going to roll our sleeves up and show you how to build a real-time intel system you can use that very afternoon. The kind that kicks in when a market shift drops and you've got 10 minutes to respond. I'm part of an amazing lineup where we'll get to hear from Stacey Sherman on customer experience, Nan Clement with fresh research from MIT, and Andy Crestodina with next-level prompting strategies. If you want to show up sharper, move faster, and win more, SAMPS North American Annual Conference in Boston's where it happens. I hope to see you there.